Issue number 10. The yes and no buttons are not responding. First, physically test the buttons to see if they press and release freely. Next, perform a multimeter test. Set to resistance. Place the leads where the wires connect to the button. Press the button. If the resistance changes, functionality is confirmed. Next, listen for a ding when pressing the button. If you hear one, functionality is confirmed. Then, bypass the button. Disconnect the button from the unit. Bridge the two prongs with a metal tool such as a screwdriver. If you hear a ding sound, the issue is with the button or wiring harness. Contact WUR-COM Tech Support for replacement parts if needed.